Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 201. This was the 19th of March, a Sunday. So I did exercise, I did books, I did Remote Wellness Academy, I did insurance, and I did calling for Livegood. I contacted my several people for Livegood business opportunity, and it was a pretty full day yesterday. I got through it, and I am grateful. Oh, I'm just grateful for I'm grateful for having good neighbors because my neighbors don't give me any trouble at all, and they always are friendly, and it's nice living in this community, and people are sane, and it's nice where I live. So I'm very grateful because I've been in other places where it hasn't been so nice. So to have great neighbors is a blessing. So grateful for all my neighbors out there. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you're grateful for. Look forward to hearing from you tomorrow. Thank you.